Welcome back to RVnGO.com. Today, we're walking through the steps it takes to upload your driver's license during a rental transaction. Uploading a driver's license occurs during every transaction you have, so once you find an RV you're interested in renting, you would hit the Send an Inquiry button. After that, visit My Trips and click on the reservation. You'll see at the bottom a blue box that reads Check My ID. Click on that to start the process. You'll have three options for uploading your driver's license: taking a picture with your phone, your webcam, or uploading them directly from your computer. Click on your preferred option and follow the prompts given to you for uploading your driver's license images. Once you submit your photos, it can take up to 15 minutes for the process to verify them. If you have any issues at all, contact our support number, which can be found here. Not verifying your license can risk losing your reservation. If you need to add another driver's license for a second or even third driver, just click the green button, Add Driver, and repeat the previous steps. And that's it! You've successfully uploaded your driver's license during the transaction process. Keep an eye out for more videos regarding other RV tips, and if you have any further questions regarding the RVnGO website, feel free to reach out through our email, support@rvngo.com, or call us at 1-888-399-9505. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you on the road.